If you love cooking but hate dealing with a messy countertop and guessing whether your meat is actually cooked, these two simple kitchen gadgets could make a big difference. Today, we're looking at the Cuisinart CTG-00-CCR7 Curve Crock 7-piece tool set and a 0.5-second instant read digital meat thermometer. Two practical tools designed to solve two common kitchen problems. First, let's talk about the problem of messy cooking utensils. When you're preparing a meal, you might need a spatula, spoon, turner, or other cooking tools. But if everything is scattered across the countertop or buried inside a drawer, finding the right utensil can become frustrating, especially when you're trying to cook quickly. That's where the Cuisinart Curve Crock with tools comes in.
Instead of keeping your essential cooking utensils hidden in different drawers, the 7-piece set keeps them together in one countertop crock. You can place it next to your stove and quickly grab the tool you need while cooking. This is particularly useful in smaller kitchens, where organization and easy access really matter. Imagine you're making pasta, cooking vegetables, or preparing a stir-fry. Instead of opening drawers with messy utensils, you simply reach for the tool you need and continue cooking. It may seem like a small improvement, but having your most used tools in one place can make everyday cooking feel much easier and more organized. Now, let's move to the second problem, and this one can ruin an expensive meal. How do you know when your meat is actually cooked? Looking at the outside,
You can check the temperature and remove it when appropriate, so you get better control over the cooking process and more consistent results. Now, put these two gadgets together and you have a pretty practical combination. The Cuisinart tool set solves an organization problem.
the instant read thermometer solves a cooking precision problem. One keeps your essential utensils within reach, while the other helps you stop relying entirely on guesswork when cooking meat. And that's what makes problem-solving kitchen gadgets so useful. They don't necessarily need to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the best kitchen tools are the ones that solve a small problem you deal with every single day. If you have a small kitchen, the Cuisinart Curve Crock can help keep your cooking area more organized and make frequently used utensils easier to access. And if you regularly grill or cook meat, an instant read thermometer can become one of those tools you reach for again and again. Of course, always follow the manufacturer's instructions for using and cleaning the thermometer, and use appropriate food safety practices when preparing meat.
So, which one is worth adding to your kitchen? If your biggest problem is countertop clutter and constantly searching for cooking utensils, the Cuisinart 7-piece Curve Crock is the more relevant choice. If your biggest problem is guessing whether your meat is properly cooked, the instant read thermometer is the better solution. And if you cook regularly, there's a good argument for having both. One helps you cook more efficiently. The other helps you cook with more precision. Check the links in the description to see the latest prices and availability for both products. And if you enjoyed this kitchen gadget comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful products that solve everyday kitchen problems.